Hi there สวัสดีครับ You are watching Dr. Green Channel. Today we are going to show you the automatic voltage stabilizer for the aircon. And today we brought you two models of the automatic voltage stabilizer. The first one on the left hand side is for the 1.5 tons. And on the right hand side, the bigger one is for the 2 tons. Alright? And this stabilizer, the advantage of this one is energy efficient voltage stabilizer. That means it can work very optimum to provide you the output voltage which is still acceptable voltage range for the equipment or the aircon. Alright, so the output that coming out from these two stabilizer will be the good voltage range that is working with air conditions. And of course, this one is the power safe. So this feature, of course, thanks to the smart controller inside and also the fanless technology which using the natural cooling to cool the stabilizer. And also having the ISO 9001 certified which is still can confirm about the high quality product. And these two is made by the stabilizer manufacturer which has over 3 decades of the stabilizer leadership industry. So they have very special design to work with the aircon. Okay, so we will turn the box to see around. So let's see. Right, the characteristic or the technical specification of the stabilizer. Let's see on both model. So the first one they will tell you about the product which are state both for the electronic voltage stabilizer and the model is different one. The capacity of the 1.5 tons over here is 4 kVA one phase. And for the bigger one here is the 5 kVA one phase. And this is support for the 2 tons air condition. And this one support for the 1.5 tons air conditioners. Alright? And the input voltage range here is support the low voltage. Okay, the under voltage from the acceptable range voltage range for the aircon. So even if the incoming input voltage is lower and down to 130 volts, this stabilizer still can adjust and increase the voltage and output to your aircon. So this one can manage the too low coming voltage and also the too high coming voltage. So if the incoming voltage is too low, it will help to adjust the voltage to go up and output to your aircon. And if the incoming voltage is too high, so it will help to lower down the voltage and then output to your aircon. Alright? And with this one, it has the cut off for the low cut off and also the high cut off. So it will save and protect your air conditions. Alright? And for the 1.5 tons box here, the input voltage range is slightly different. It supports from the 150 volt and also the high voltage, the over voltage, it can support up to 230 volt. So that means even the low voltage down to 150, it will help to increase up the voltage and then output to your aircon. And if the incoming voltage is too high, it will help to lower down and output to your aircon as well. All right, and these two are the new batch that are coming out from the factory. So still very hot on the box. So good product and the new batch that is shipped to Thailand. So this will be good for the customer who got the new batch, still fresh. And you can see some features, some fancy features for these stabilizer. So the first one is powder coated chassis. So it helps to look rugged and also help to maintain the product to work in very long time or keep it rugged and very stable to use. No rusted outside, something like that when you are using longer and longer. So this one again to ensure the chassis still look very good and also still functional inside of the stabilizer is very good. High efficiency, low losses, right? The next one is reliable IC control circuit. So the inside the circuit is designed in very reliable. Quality components inside has very high quality chipset inside. Rigorously tested as per the IS standard. So if you have watched the previous video about the slide deck that we have shown in the key takeaway, so you can go back and then see all the IS certificate that we have mentioned again. All right, so these two are the stabilizer that is specially designed for the air conditioners. So I will show you the inside and what are the components inside the box. I will show you shortly. Right, I have unboxed and then this is the stabilizer which contain inside the box. So the first one you will see the stabilizer. So again on the left hand side is the 4 kVA for the 1.5 tons air conditioners, and on the right hand side is for the 2 tons air conditioner, which the capacity is the 5 kVA. For this one is bigger. And of course for these two models are coming with the power cable. All right, so is inside is a 3-core and the size of the cable is 2.5 square millimeters. So it's very good and very standard. Okay, the power cable is very rugged, very good quality. And of course it coming with the mounting kits. So you will see the marking sheet. So you just put on the wall, okay, because these two are the wall mount stabilizer, which can mount nearby the air conditioners or can mount beside the circuit breaker, which will connect to the aircon. Because if you remember the diagram, the installation diagram, this will sit in between the circuit breaker or the control box or the circuit breaker box and the air condition, right? So this cable, the incoming voltage or the incoming power supply will, for this side, will connect to the circuit breaker. All right, and on this point over here, this point will connect to the air conditioners. right? Okay, let's come back to the installation kit. So here is the marker sheet, right? So you can put the sticker and then just put the marker according to the marking sheet here. Very easy. And also coming with the installation kit with the screw and the plug here, right? So you don't need to go out to buy these kind of stuff. And of course for these two model, having the test certificate, all right? So the test certificate is shown all the test case has been done, right? Test case has been done. All the technical features and all the safety features has been tested, right? Okay, and has the person, the responsible person or the engineer who in charge for the test has been signed on the test paper. So this one very high standard, very high quality. Okay, I hope you get the information and having some idea on how does the automatic voltage stabilizer for air conditioners look like for the 1.5 tons and the 2 tons. Okay, so this one 1.5 tons is about 18,000 BTU, and this one is 24,000 BTU. So if you compare between two units. All right, so in the next video I will show you the demonstration how does this tool adjust the voltage against the input voltage which state on the technical specification on the box, and we also will test against this test certificate as well to show you. We will bring some voltage range to test and demo to you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, give us the thumbs up, put the subscribe button and invite your friends into the communities. So thank you very much for watching and see you again in the next video. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ